Tires in
So
the
how much money did she make?
Oh, she's made good money. I can promise you that.
Paid for herself.
Several times.
It's got what, 300,000 miles on it now? No, 200,000 miles on it now. Never had pins in it.
Never bought a plastic wear pad. What about hoses?
Hoses were.
Well, that's on me.
That was a damage thing. That
Yeah,
wasn't.
that was $1 million. No, the truck paid for itself within the first 6 months of owning it. I'd say somewhere around in 3 years, it's probably made right at $1 million.
And it's the original pin. Every pivot pin is original. You haven't replaced anything. Just greased it and tightened it.
Greased it and tightened it. No, I haven't replaced any pins or anything like that on it at all. Hell, I've got our old trucks. They didn't replace anything on them. You know, all my other little hercs that I've run. Yeah, we still got one that's still going from the first generation.
Right.
Yeah, original. They got it's repurposed. Yeah, I can compare it.
Reach.
I can compare it to a wheel lift, heavy duty wise. That's the best built wheel lift out there.
I mean, all bull aside, that truck has lifted my 6500 Kodiak rollback and moved it probably 300, 400 yards to get it out of the highway when my other record wouldn't do.
I bet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quality's worth something.
Right.
But all people always look at what's today, not what's down the road. You know what I mean?
Right.
That's what the sad thing about it is, you know, oh man, that cost me this much today. You know what I mean? Well, yeah, but what is it going to cost you over the next 5 years? You know?
Right.
And I'm not going out here saying that these other records are just breaking left and fucking right. No, that's not what I'm saying.
Right.
But which ones am I at my shop working on more?
Not this one.
Not this one.
Right.
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever.
It's usually one of our screw ups that causes have to work on one of these. 20-year career of repo. I didn't ever get thanked for a repo until I got into a truck like this. Definitely.
Literally come out and thank you now.
Yes. Thank you. That was so incognito. Nobody knew. The neighbors didn't even know what you were doing. Thank you for just being so nice.
Instead of all pissed off that you're there with the record.
Exactly. An embarrassing situation. Yeah. It makes a big difference. Even in apartment complexes.
Right.
We've had, you know, like I said, we've had good runs with all of it.